sleeping through this.
Through what?
The frickin' Blue Man Group is outside our house.
I was sleeping through it.
It had to have woken you up.
No, my insane mother, Margot Kidder Gilmore, woke me up.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. What are you doing?
Fixing your porch rail.
That's right. You are. You're fixing my porch rail. At 6:30 in the morning.
It's the only time I could do it.
Why? Why?
It was broken. I noticed last time I was here, it could hurt somebody.
Luke, we sleep around here, okay? We like it. It makes us pretty and keeps us from killing our crazy friends.
You're gonna wake the neighbors.
Oh, could you pound one more thing while you're out here? Your head and a for sale sign on the lawn, because we're moving. So that's two things, the sign and your head, and in that order, because otherwise you'll be too dizzy to do the sign thing. Ah, shoot. Rory,
You locked out?
you don't exist. Rory!
You shouldn't have closed the door.
That! Rory!
Lorelei, Sugar, you're waking up the entire neighborhood, please.
Excuse me!
I am officially annoyed.
Oh, well, don't blame me. Blame Luke. He was right here.
Yeah, I know.
Get her back to bed, doll.
He's banging on the...
I know.
It was something on the porch. It was broken.
I know.
I'm not crazy.
I know.
He was banging on something.
I know.